And a look at our Valley Skycam this evening shows traffic moving along nicely there on I-94 and on University as well. Looks like conditions, at least here in town, are okay. There are some locations in North Dakota that still have some snow and some ice on those roadways, so just if you're out and about traveling, make sure you are aware that there could be some changing road conditions across our area. We are seeing that drier air moving in, and that's bringing in some high pressure, and any of that lingering flurries down toward the south and these lingering clouds will get pushed out eventually as we go through the night tonight, and that will make for a quiet day tomorrow. Tomorrow here in Fargo, we're expecting temperatures to be a little chilly to start, those low teens to start, but south winds will warm us into those lower 20s with plenty of sun and clear sky as high pressure is the rule of order, and I expect 20s for pretty much everybody. Could even be some locations that could get near 30, especially as we head into our Minnesota neighborhoods, but 20s will be generally the rule of order for everybody. Now, Friday's fine. Let's shift our gears to the weekend and focus on that. A winter storm watch is going until Monday morning, starting Saturday morning. So that's for all those counties shaded there in yellow. That is, yes, that's Grand Forks, that's Fargo, down through Fergus Falls, through the Jamestown area as well. Notice our extreme northern and western neighborhoods are excluded from this watch. Now, looking at the American model, we will see that storm looks to start early Saturday morning with perhaps even some freezing rain in our southern and eastern neighborhoods. And then as we continue through the day Saturday, we'll see some heavier snowfall develop up and down the Red River Valley, and with that, strong northerly winds. So blowing and drifting snow will be a factor, especially late Saturday into early Sunday, and then through the day Sunday as well. We'll see that heavy snow with those strong winds continuing. Then this looks to stick around for early on Monday. At least the American model shows that there's still some lingering snow showers there early Monday morning as the system hangs out here in Wisconsin. And then, of course, looking to bring some frozen rain to the Minneapolis area as well. So this could be a factor for those folks flying in and or out of Minneapolis for the weekend. And this particular model has this clearing late Monday evening for us to quiet down into the day on Tuesday. But here's what we're looking at for the American model in the snow potential. This is a 3-day total, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Looks like most will be at least in the 6 to 12 inch range, but there will be locations, especially in the Southern Valley, that could be in the 12 to 18 inch range, and can't rule out a few locations that will be in the 18 or more inch range, especially in the Southern Valley where the heavier snow is. But with even 6 to 12 inches of snowfall, blowing and drifting will be a factor. And look again at our northwestern neighborhoods, hardly anything, if any, measurable snow there, at least on the American model. The European model shows the same thing. We're starting on Saturday. The snowfall moves up from the south and west. Strong northerly winds on Saturday evening through the day on Sunday. Heavy snowfall also on the European model. This has the center of this low pressure right over the Twin Cities. So we'll be on the cold and moist side of the system. So plenty of snowfall is expected in the European model as well. This model has this continuing with the heavier snow through Sunday evening, and could also again see that freezing rain in our southern and eastern neighborhoods. This has this snow hanging on a bit longer through the day on Monday, and even a little bit into Tuesday as well. So snowfall totals with the European model do look to be a bit higher than the American model. But here's this European model snow potential. This is again Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Most in 6 to 12, but this has a higher area, a larger area of those folks in the 12 to 18 inch range. And this European model does show Grand Forks and Fargo in the 12 to 18 inch range. And again, some isolated locations, especially in the Southern Valley and points to the west, where 18 inches or more are expected. But here's the weekend storm impacts. Confidence is high that most of us will get at least 8 inches of snow, but there will be those areas, especially in the Southern Valley, that could be 12 to 24 inches with hardly any snow at all. To the north and west, blowing and drifting will cause travel impacts Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday as well. So we have highlighted the weekend as the red there. Those are high impact weather days where we're expecting difficult travel to really kick in late Saturday and Sunday. And then some of those snow showers linger on Monday. Also, some cooler air comes in behind this system to start off the new year. But the good news is the first week of next year is looking pretty quiet at this time.
Well, that red will certainly get your attention.
Yeah, and that's why we do it, because that will be a high impact weather couple of days.
All right, thanks, Nathan.
Yeah.